Four places dito. Yung pinunta namin.
Oh, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Mama, si Kuya, tawagan din natin. Mamaya 12 sa kanila. Ganda, no? Hindi yun nakasali sa competition sa Pilipinas nga lang eh, yung Australia. Ewan ko. Sinabi lang din sa akin eh. Nagkaroon kasi ng competition sa Pinas.
The best?
Hindi, mga iba't ibang bansa. Hindi nga lang ito kasali. Pero maganda eh. Maganda daw, kaso nga lang eh. Parang sumisingit lang.
Diyan yung opera house. Diyan ang opera house.
Ah, ang ganda! Ganda ng view. Harap na harap mo
May
talaga.
isa na malayo-layo, pero maganda pa rin ang view. Kitang-kita mo yun lahat. Macquarie, ano yun? Point.
Alina, ang ganda na.
Punta sa opera house lang ikaw.
Tapos yung Darling Harbor.
Okay.
Hindi ko pa napupuntahan kung anong meron
Hindi
doon.
ka pa naka-force doon.
Ang gusto kong makakit sa tok-tok niyan.
180 yung $200.
Ganon
half
ka-
lang. Half lang ang lalakarin mo.
Ang ganda nilang sa gitna.
Hanggang din lang. Yun lang.
Hindi ka pwedeng mag-ano.
Yung sa pinanuntahan mo kanina, kita yan lahat.
Wow! Ang ganda lang
Yung
yun.
tok-tok lang ng mga fireworks, hindi the actual
Ay,
yan at
hindi
saka
na. Oo. Yung nasa
fireworks
tok-tok
lang
lang.
mismo.
Oo. Kasi mataas din yung butok,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Okay.
Gano'n kaya ito katagal?
Yung ano ko, baterya.
Oo nga eh. Nanganganib.
Saan ka matutulog?
Dito, kami ni Lola yung magkatabi.
Ano, kita
Yung sila. Mama. Ma.
Kita?
Yung cellphone ko po, ma, backup ko lang. Iba-backup ko. Para pag namatay ito, masusundan pa rin.
Ano? Ano?
Ay, hindi pa.
Ano?
Hindi, ready ko lang. Kapag once na namatay ito, pwede ko na ito ipalit. Para may part 2.
Hindi pa naman?
Hindi pa naman. Usa siya mamamatay.
Okay.
Pag namatay na siya, yeah.
Or did you say under the bridge?
It's gonna be too packed.
Well, who knows?
Taylin, what's in the Darling Harbor? What can I see?
What can you see?
What can I see when I get to Darling Harbor?
Uni. Tapos may mga restaurants doon, may tubig doon, may isang bridge na maliit.
It's like a gimmick place.
Hindi ko, may mga nightclubs doon. Nandun ang IMAX. You know IMAX?
Yeah, IMAX theater.
Nandun.
I thought it was in Westfield. It's on Westfield. It's located there.
Ito ang pinaka-first na IMAX sa Australia. Kasi
Located in Darling Harbor.
Darling Harbor, oo. Marami daw mga
Woo!
marami mga young ones doon nag-hang out.
Wow.
Weekends kasi
Kaso nga lang, parang pag tingnan mo yung mga dito, parang matatanda na sila. Ang mga matured ng mga tao. Kaya parang hindi, yung kasing edad ko parang high school nga lang, parang ganun. Siguro mga siguro year 7 year.
some are young tapos mature. Smart TV. Not sure. Smart TV ba yan?
I think so. Yeah, you can put HDMI, yeah. It has a USB.
No STB or built-in na.
Built-in USB port.
No, yung STB sa top box. Yung ano ba? Channels.
Hindi ko na alam.
6 George. I'm
Six
so glad it
places.
didn't rain. Yeah, 6 places. There's one doon sa gitna talaga. Alam mo yun, yeah? Alam mo yun sa gitna doon na island?
Ano ba yan?
Prison yun dati.
Ano ba
Ginawa
yan?
nila yung location para
Yung Kakatu Island?
I'm not sure, George. But it's a small island.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. So,
Used to be prison.
yeah. That's what they say.
But you can pay good money to have a good view.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, Fremont. To the left. Nice?
I know it looks good, but
I realize it's much nicer to be watching TV than viewing that in person.
Oh, but it's nice to have an experience too.
Yeah,
Nice feeling.
I would just have to go there just to eat the
but if
You've never been
the
to the
noise.
Philippines if you're there. Oh my god.
the firework movie.
Yeah, fireworks. You can handle it yourself too if you want.
Much noisier than
Like,
that.
I like all this here. See all these go off at once. Share
But I think
because you can hear this from my house. So imagine being actually there.
This one is more noisy.
Look at that, especially there. That's where I want to be.
You see, when
That's
we were there,
nice.
we would have been about here
Yeah.
somewhere, and we saw everything.
Like one of those ferries
like
or
that, that's what
boats.
we were
Yeah.
there.
That's beautiful.
Right, it's so close.
That's what people wait to see. Yeah.
That's so wonderful.
George, ilang minuto na?
9 minutes.
1 more minute. Is it 10 minutes?
There's maybe more.
Hopefully.
Anyway, I'm glad you didn't win tonight.
Yeah, just like in Christmas, I think.
Didn't.
Yeah, I didn't.
I wonder what will happen if it's everything is raining. With the
Wow,
fireworks,
the clouds, I don't know.
with the fireworks still being.
Maybe it's faded too.
Faded, yeah,
Yeah.
not as bright.
But it's actually raining when it's doing it now.
Maybe it won't work.
That's what I'd like to know. No, we've had a news that it's been raining
That's
in
raining.
ages. I can't remember. How do they come up with this stuff?
15 months of preparation. Yes,
12 months.
15.
It's like, how did they know to hit this one? hit
Yeah,
that
or
one?
the effect.
Is there someone pushing a button or?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that bit. That's interesting.
I just wondered how much the government paid for
Oh, you will know
the
tomorrow morning.
fireworks director.
Oh,
Yeah. It's very wonderful.
but tomorrow's paper, you will know how much they spent on this one.
Yeah,
It'll
probably.
be in the
That-
paper.
For sure, movies are really good. To pay the staff, to the workers, to set it all up, the fireworks. So I bet the Harbour Bridge will be closed now, right? We've been driving through that. That would be awesome, right? To be just stop just before the Harbour Bridge. See, like the noise there would be amazing.
Yeah.
And
I don't think we ever did each
you,
other.
It is a great noise there. Wow.